This cocktail's a little weird, but it does seem to help embody the winter season to an extent. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to create the Pimm's Fizz. Now, exactly what is the Pimm's Fizz? The Pimm's Fizz is a specific type of cocktail. A fizz, in every extent of the word, utilizes a fat of some sort, which would be like an egg white or heavy cream, and then it's lengthened with a sparkling or carbonated beverage, club soda, sparkling water, what have you. Arguably the most iconic would be the Ramos Gin Fizz, which I did a while ago, which is one of the more physically demanding cocktails because of trying to have the egg white foam that you create. This does not require nearly that much work. We're not using heavy cream and egg white. No, we're just using egg white. So this is similar to, say, a whiskey sour, but it's being served in a tall glass, so a fizz, and it is being lengthened through club soda. It utilizes Pimm's, also gin, and ginger syrup. Ginger syrup is differs from person to person. According to, say, Jeffrey Morgenthaler, an idea to have ginger syrup would be to cut up a small amount of unpeeled ginger, say about 8 ounces, into very small pieces, combine that with hot water and sugar, blend that up in a blender until very smooth, and then strain into a bottle. I went with a simple syrup mixture, 2 parts sugar, 1 part water, with grated ginger in, and then allow the ginger to infuse. Some follow a different way. Really, whatever one you feel is appropriate, use that. Okay, but this is a very interesting cocktail. So, yeah, there's not really much of a history, so let's just go ahead and get into it. It's a shaken cocktail, which, of course, means grab a shaker. Need a lime. I need 3/4 ounce of lime juice. And now I need grenadine. I need a 1/2 ounce of grenadine. This is homemade grenadine, by the way. Always recommended that you make your own. And I need a 1/4 ounce of ginger syrup. First time making this, so I don't know how hot it's going to be. I did taste it. It began sweet, then the heat kicked in, so don't know how this is going to work out, freely admit, but I'm curious. Next I need 1 ounce of Pimm's No. 1, and I need 1 ounce of gin. I am using Gordon's. Beefeater would work. Tanqueray would work as well. And now I'm going to swap the tins because I need an egg white. Crack an egg and separate into the large tin of the shaker. If you have a double tin shaker like this, that way if you end up getting yolk or breaking the egg and thus you can't use just the egg white, you can just dump out what's not supposed to be there, restart, not have to re-pour everything. Well, hooray. I need to restart from the egg. Be right back, guys. Okay, that embarrassment now done. Wash out the tin, restart from the egg white. Just go right on around. Make sure we get egg white, not egg yolk. Egg white in, got our cocktail combined. I'm gonna seat the tins about as well as I can together. Good. Now do the dry shake. Why is this called a dry shake? It's called a dry shake because there's no ice. This is mainly used to emulsify the egg to begin making a velvety texture. I also did this in like the whiskey sour episode. So, dry shake. Outstanding. Break tins. Pouring the cocktail back into the small tin. Grab your ice. Okay, ice in. Pre-shaken cocktail in. We're good. I'm going to start slow because the cold air and the cold is compressing the tins to make it nice and airtight. Pop. One more time. Go. This will be served in a Collins glass and will be served over a Collins spear. Hawthorne down. Strain on in. Grab some club soda. I'm going to pour direct off the ice to top. Hence the fizz part of the Pimm's Fizz. And now to help with the festive season, this will be garnished with 2 cranberries right on top. Straw down. And this is a Pimm's Fizz. Cheers. Okay. That's fun. That's nice. It's sweet. The ginger comes in very late, but it really helps. The ginger comes in late, but it helps. It's really, really, really good. The grenadine leads, amazingly so. You get the subtle twist from the gin. The Pimm's adds another sweetening aspect to it. It is a liqueur. The ginger comes in late. The lime juice isn't adding much to this, fully admit. It's not adding a lot, but it might be just as a minor bolster of flavor, but this is nice. This is tasty. You want to know what I think this tastes like? To me, this tastes like an adult ginger ale. It's that good. For those that like, say, Canada Dry ginger ale or any other ginger ale, if you like that, you may like this. It doesn't have the fizz of a ginger ale, but the flavor, the feeling that I'm getting from this reminds me a lot of ginger ale. This is delicious. This is a very nice cocktail. If you liked the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check down below. There is a link to kit.co, which has everything I utilize on my bar under the sun, aside from the alcohol, of course. Inside that link, there will be Amazon affiliate links. You know what that means. I'm not going to educate you about that. Find all my socials down in the description below as well. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. And being that this, I believe, will be the final drink before 2024, to those of you who watch, I wish you a very happy new year, a very healthy new year, and I will see you in 2024. Until then, thank you for watching. This has been The Beginner's Bar.